back or welcome to my channel. So we all know it's Pride Month and there are rainbows everywhere. So many rainbow looks, and I decided to do something different. Instead of doing the whole rainbow on my face, I thought to break the rainbow down into all its colors and then take each color and create a single monochromatic look. And today we're going to be using yellow, which is, if you did not know, my favorite color ever. So yeah, let's get right into this look. I decided to do my face first for a change because I feel like I've done my face so many times there was really no need. I think I look a little, but I'll fix that after I've done my eyes and all that stuff. Usually I do my eyes and then my face, but cheers to trying out new things, I guess. So let's just jump right in. So for my eyes, I'm going to use my LGBTQ Pro concealer to prep. Let this dry down. So I'm just going to blend this. I hope this turns out okay. Since I'm not used to this method of foundation before eyes. So I'm going to take this tray from my Makeup Professional palette, which you guys have seen a gazillion times. And I'm just going to take this shade here. I'm using this flat brush. I'm just going to pat it on my lid. Oh, that's what I was worried about. Just dust that off. Okay, let me see what happens when I add this. So with the same brush, I'm taking this yellow here. I'm just using all different shades of yellow, I don't even know. Again, dusting off the fallout. Should I leave it like this? I could, but I'm gonna do a little something. I don't know, I like doing little somethings. Oh no I don't. Just, you know, when it comes to makeup, a little something can go a long way. You know what, I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm using my Inglot liquid liner. So for a little extra I want to do, I'm gonna take this tiny brush right here and my Ever Beauty liner. This is black. I'm just gonna take a teeny bit, very tiny little spot, and I'm just gonna draw a little line over the top of the yellow shadow. I think I'm gonna wipe off a little bit. Now I'm just gonna try and blend to kind of smudge the liner. This is what we have. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side and be right back. Now for my lashes. Before I apply my lashes, my mascara. Next, I'm gonna take this white liner from my waterline. What is happening upstairs? I don't know what my neighbors are doing. Now I'm just going to powder my face a little bit and do some bronzing. So now I'm taking my Inglot pressed powder, which is almost gone. I'm just dusting under my eyes. To bronze up my cheeks, I'm taking my Jordana Forever Flawless pressed powder, and for my nose, using this brush. I'm just gonna blend a little with this classic makeup pressed powder. This shade is light. So before I move to my lips, I'm just going to wipe. I'm just taking this Eve line pencil. I don't have any yellow lipsticks, so I'm like, what do I do? So I'm gonna take this Hades Creme lip from the Disney Villains Colourpop collection. And I think this will have to do. Should I try something? So let me see how this works. If it doesn't, I'll just wipe it off. I'm just gonna take the yellow I put on my eyes, and I'm trying to make the lip color less peachy. Oh, do I have any clear gloss? Found this clear gloss and I'm just going to pat it on. This is Mary Kay Icicle. Now to add some shimmer, I'm taking my Milani bronzer. This shade is Soleil, so like a soft shimmer. Finally, setting spray. This is a finished look. You guys, how did I do? I love yellow, and I think I love how this turned out as well. Considering yellow is like the brightest color in the entire world. I love it so much, and I think yellow just means love, light, sunshine, brightness, happiness. So I wish all that and more to everyone out there. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. If you haven't already, please turn on bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow with another look. Bye.